ngayon po, Mr. Chairman, ay akin na pong babasahin ang proposed ordinance number 08-0028-2025 introduced by Councilor Lodimer A. Carta, sponsored by the Joint Committee on Education, Science and Technology, Arts and Culture, and Health and Sanitation, an ordinance establishing the mental health policy of the City of Santa Rosa to ensure the delivery of integrated, rights-based services, appropriating funds, therefore, and for other purposes. I move that proposed ordinance number 08-0028-2025 be approved for third and final reading, Mr. Chairman.
Motion by Councilor Vladimir Carta for the approval for third and final reading of proposed ordinance number 08-28-2025, seconded by Councilor Boy Factoriza, of course, the Chairman of Health, Councilor Citel Gabre, of course, the Chairman of Education, Councilor Janine Ala, Councilor Patrick Ivan Guzman, Councilor Maiter Sendanya, Councilor Manuel Alipon, Councilor Nino Marco Villanueva, and ABC President Toti La Rosa, Councilor Antonia Lacerna. It's the majority. Ordinance number 08-28-2025 approved for third and final reading. Thank you so much, councilors.